Okay, so I was thinking I'm gonna do a quick review what I'm working on. I'm trying to automate as much stuff as I can. In the future, I would love to build an AI companion which will be just listening what I say and act upon the task I will require. So basically what I'm using the most is this lovely keyboard. It has 18 G keys which are completely programmable, and Logitech actually released the software where you can use all those keys plus 3 memories. So I can have assign, 18 different tasks for those G keys and then just switch to memory 2, memory 3, and I can do even automations between them. However, for now, I want to show you only the G13, 16, and 17, and why I think this keyboard is ultimate. They say it's a gaming keyboard. I don't care. I use it for automation. Um, so, for example, to G16, I created a Python script which takes any text from paperclip. So I use Python, um, yeah, that's actually the package paperclip. And so I have this text here which I copied. So I can actually copy it again, or I can press Ctrl C. It doesn't matter. It's been copied. It is in my in here. Clipboard, that's what I was looking for. So it is in the clipboard, and as soon as I hit G16, it will start reading the text out loud. It's gonna send the text to Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services. It will be synthesized, it will be sent to my computer, and it will be read aloud.
David and Adam, introducing you to each other. Adam works in Tesseract DC and has a deep interest in getting into software engineering and has been going through lots of Microsoft learning sessions on Azure and AL, the Google Cloud Developer Program, and various lot and electronics projects. David has been involved in lots of onboarding programs for technology, including apprenticeships, boot camps, and graduate programs that include non-grads. What would be some good ways for Adam to move across into technology? Thanks and best wishes, Adam.
Yeah, so this is first automation. I don't need to read anything. Obviously, in the Python script, I can adjust the speed. I can adjust what voice I want to this synthesized text sounds like. So it can be male, female, different languages, different speed, different pitch, and so on. Now, second thing is G13. So what I'm gonna use my website. So I'm gonna go 3bypixel.com. I'm gonna go developer and all the way down because this is good quality image. And I'm gonna copy this image. Again, it is in clipboard. I press G13 and it will provide OCR, which is I don't tell you the shortcut for it. I always forget. Basically, it extracts the text from the image. So I'm gonna use this chat UI and I'm gonna paste it there because basically it takes the text, extract that, copy it, and it's in clipboard. So if I'll do Control V, you can actually see I've got it here. So just keep looking at the image here, and I'm gonna actually copy this and play it with G16 again.
Feedback. Helpful information or criticism that is given to someone to say what can be done to improve a performance.
Okay, now just to preview, this is, very high resolution image. It can be done on image which has been taken by my phone. So I'm gonna go print screen and no, okay, rectangle, and I'm gonna select all those features from Raspberry Pi 5 I purchased, I don't know, a few months ago. Boom, okay, it's been copied. You see, I create a screenshot and it's been copied to clipboard. I'm gonna go G13, image detected, run in OCR. Again, I'm gonna paste it here, Control V. I'm gonna copy it all, and again, I'm gonna synthesize that.
Features HSE. 64-bit quad-core Cortex, A76 processor. 16 gigabytes LPDDR4 access DRAM. 2 micro HDMI ports, supports up to 4K P60. 2 USB 3.0 ports. 2 USB 2.0 ports. 2 4-lane connectors for camera or display peripherals. Sold separately. Asterisk gigabit Ethernet port. Asterisk 802.11b/g/n/AC wireless. Asterisk Bluetooth 5.0. Asterisk PUI capable. Requires POHAT, sold separately. PCIe expansion connector. Requires PCIe adapter, sold separately. 5/V/5A USB-C power supply recommended for. Best performance, 5V/3A minimum requirement. Sold separately.
Now you can see it actually added few characters because I'm running this OCR Optical Character Recognition, I believe, locally via Tesseract. So it actually runs on my PC. The image is not sent to any cloud services. That's the only one thing. So it's not as capable as cloud services. However, you know, when you start using cloud services for synthesizing speech or speech recognition and a lot of stuff, it can start, you know, the billing, it gets quite funny, and I might actually pay quite a lot of money for all those services. And the very last thing I wanted to show, it is something what I created just now, and I'm so excited. It is actually voice assistant, but it is voice live. So I can be talking to this AI assistant, it will respond to me, but whenever I want to interrupt this voice assistant, I just start talking. The AI assistant will stop, listen to me, and answer my next queries, which I think it's actually crazy because then we can create tools which we can refer to. We can add some knowledge base, which I'm already doing here. Basically, I have Content Understanding Studio, so I uploaded few documents, I've done embeddings on it, and the AI will be able to understand all those documents and look for information within them very, very quickly. Now, let's try this AI assistant voice live. Hello there, can you hear me? How are you?
Hi. Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's it going?
Okay, I'm doing pretty well. Can you do a quick introduction of yourself and your capabilities, let's say within 2 paragraphs?
Sure. I'm an AI assistant designed to help with a variety of tasks. I can understand and respond naturally to spoken and written language, and I'm able to communicate in multiple languages and accents. I can see and
Okay,
describe what's on canoe.
that's actually perfect. Now, I wanted to interrupt you just to show people that I can interrupt you. and tell me, can I create some functions or tools which you will be able to call and make an action based on what tool you will be selecting, or you will be required by user to select.
Absolutely. You can definitely create custom functions or tools that I can call. Once you define them, like giving me a tool that performs a specific action or fetches certain data, I can invoke those functions based on your instructions or the context of our conversation. That way, we can work together seamlessly, and I'll be able to execute the exact actions you want through those tools. For example, if you build
Okay,
a
that's
function.
it. Yeah, I was also thinking maybe I can do text embeddings and give you, I don't know, some storage account via Microsoft Azure that you will be linked to this knowledge of documents and, retrieve information from them.
Exactly. By using text embeddings and connecting to a storage solution like Azure, you can store large amounts of documents and knowledge. Then, I'll be able to call functions that query that data, retrieve specific information, summarize it, or analyze it in real time. This setup would allow me to assist with things like finding key details in your documents, answering questions based on your stored knowledge, or
Okay,
even
stop,
providing.
stop, stop. Okay, now my last query to you is, I haven't tried that yet. What was my first prompt to you within this conversation?
Your first prompt in this conversation was, "Hello there, can you hear me? How are you?" That's how we kick things off. It set the tone for our chat, and we've been building from there. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Okay, how large is your context memory?
I can hold quite a bit in context, usually several thousand words or more, depending on the complexity of the conversation. This allows me to track what we've talked about, remember details from earlier in the chat, and keep the flow natural. If the conversation gets really long or detailed, I might summarize or condense older information to stay efficient. But for most typical conversations, I can maintain a solid continuity and keep our dialogue smooth and coherent. If you ever feel I'm missing something important, you can always remind me, but I'm designed to stay on track.
Okay, that's actually perfect. Now I'm recording a video where I'm basically showing people what different automations I built with Python, and you are one of them. So this is the end of the video. Can you tell my viewers goodbye and tell them to have a great day or something like that? You can make up something.
Of course. Here we go. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. It's been great being part of this showcase. Wishing you all a fantastic day ahead. Keep exploring, keep creating, and enjoy the power of automation. Take care and see you next time.
Control C to close this. Terminal bot job, no. Boom. And that's it. So yeah, GPT said it all. See you later. Have a great day.